Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial you are going to learn how to draw this cute and funny Christmas holly. I hope you're all set, so let's get started. We will begin our drawing with berries, and I will use my pencil first, as sometimes it is tricky to draw a perfect circle in one take, and I will trace it with a marker when I am happy with all the shapes. Let's draw our first berry slightly off the center of the paper to the right. I think it's good enough. The second berry will slightly overlap the first one. Try to make them approximately the same size. And we're gonna add the last circle in this corner. Now we can erase the lines that we don't need. And let's clean the mess. And now we can go ahead and trace all the lines with the marker. I will speed up this part, but feel free to take your time. And now we came to the fun part of drawing faces. Let's give this guy on the top a big happy smile. So we're gonna draw upside down U shapes for his eyes. Kind of a jelly bean shape for the mouth. Let's separate teeth and the tongue. Keep them white and fill the rest of the mouth in black. And we can add eyebrows as well. When you draw several faces, it is better to give them different expressions. So we will draw open eyes for our second berry. Just 2 circles here. Smaller circles inside. Then we will leave highlights and color the space around highlights. Same jelly bean shape for the mouth here, but this time no teeth. So we separate the tongue and fill all the rest mouth in black. Let's think about this face. Maybe let's draw him winking. One eye as an oval, with a smaller circle inside. Again highlight. And small sideways V for another eye. One small curve for the smile, with a tiny line at the end. Almost forgot about eyebrows. Here. And for this little guy too. So we are done drawing berries. I think they turned out very cute. Please give this video a thumbs up if you think the same. And now I'm going to show you an easy way to draw a holly plant leaves. To start, we are going to draw 2 long lines connected on the top, forming long, slightly curved spike. And we're gonna repeat the same 2 more times in the corners between berries. Here as well. The next step is to put one small dot right over the top of that spike. And now imagine that you connect this dot to the base of the spike with a curved line, and along this line you're gonna put 3 more dots in approximately the same distance from each other. Let's do the same for another side. And once we have all those dots, we just connect them all with curved lines, starting from the base of the leaf all the way around. That's quite easy, right? Let's do the same with another 2 leaves. Dot over the spike, 3 more dots from each side, and connect them all with curves. And exactly the same for the last leaf. Dot, 3 more from each side, and connect. Okay, we are done with our line work. Now it's time to give our Christmas holly some vibrant colors, and make sure you don't miss the end of the video, where we will get creative with our finished drawing. See you in a moment! And we are done! Now you know how to draw cute Christmas holly. If you wanna have more fun with this drawing, here is what you can do. You can try drawing holly enjoying the first snow, or holly ready for Christmas celebrations. Thank you guys for joining me today. Enjoy your holidays and hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye!